Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to change the payment methods on Facebook Boost posts. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Ads Manager. You can do this by clicking the drop-down arrow in the top right corner of Facebook and selecting Ads Manager from the menu. If you have multiple ad accounts, make sure you are in the correct one by clicking on the ad account name in the top left corner and selecting the desired account. In the Ads Manager, click on the Billing and Payment Methods option from the main menu on the left-hand side. This will take you to the billing settings for your ad account. Under the Payment Methods tab, you will see the current payment method associated with your account. Click on Add Payment Method if you want to add a new payment method, or edit payment methods if you want to change the existing one. If you are adding a new payment method, enter the required information such as credit or debit card details or PayPal account information. If you are editing an existing payment method, click on the pencil icon next to the payment method you want to change. After adding or editing the payment method, review the information to ensure accuracy and click on the Save Changes or Update Payment Method button. If you have added multiple payment methods, you can set a default payment method by clicking on the three dots next to the payment method and selecting Set as Default. Once you have updated your payment method in the Ads Manager, go back to the post you want to boost on your Facebook page. Follow the steps to boost the post, and during the payment process, Facebook should use your updated payment method. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.